Alrighty, fans of oxcartracing, we're back, and I went and put some light in, and now you're on the tripod. You're on the driver's side, looking through the passenger side with the door open, with no power. We're gonna see if we can do this. On the screen it looks a little dark, but fuck it, we'll go for it. Let's go. Okay, I have put some air block, which is foil tape, on the seam again. So when we install this, maybe I won't have to come back in 3 weeks and do it again. You got to remember to put the drain tube in first down here at the bottom, and then the unit slides its happy ass right back into place. But I set up in the wrong place because the action's going to be outside. Yeah. I'll take one of those 11 millimeters and install it on the stud and inside the firewall. Inside the firewall. Just so get everybody tight, and then we'll change locations.